Welcome back. Let's see. On this one, we're going to check out the chaotic AUR. I'm going to install it on this virtual machine here. As you can see, I've already did the search for chaotic AUR. Some of the good things that people say about it is that it saves CPU resources, allowing you to install AUR packages just like the official repos with Pacman. And then some people say it's convenient because it's already pre-compiled. So let's start here. All we have to do is just follow these directions, really. So on this one, let's get it started here. Operate here. I usually like to do just one at a time. Okay, we just gotta get that done next. Just the next step here. So just one by one, get it all loaded up. Also, some people say that they like the secure builds of the chaotic AWAR builds also. But then some people say that they're not as secure for some reason, but I haven't had that trouble though. So far. Next we do this step here. Get the next step ready. Once this is finished, put in the next step. Now we need to edit some files here. So this one is in the etc pacman.d. So let's go there. When this thing lets me scroll here. Okay, so I almost made a mistake here of placing this in the wrong place at first, but yeah, I got it now on the last recording. So let's see. So now we just gotta follow this path here. So it's a file we're looking for. That's pacman.conf. There we go. There it is. Then in here, this is where we add this list. I go to the very bottom on this one and add it right in here. For some reason the copy did not work. Try this again. There we go. And then we save this here. Not save as. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, back to the terminal. And now we have the chaotic AOR in here, and if we want to, we can change out these pieces of software if you want to. Let's see, let's go ahead and do this. Now everything's up to date, and that's how we add the chaotic AUR. Some of the good things about it is that some people like to be able to have a prepackaged file anyway, or like a program. That way they don't have to build it on their own system. But some of the things people don't like sometimes is that it actually can cause potential conflicts with the AUR packages. Sometimes, not all. I haven't seen that a whole lot myself. Also, some people like to have control over the binaries, or should I say, the software before it's built. They like to build it themselves and make any kind of tweaks to it. But with the chaotic AUR, it's not as easy to do that. And some people say it has, a little bit of bloat and redundancy, but I haven't seen a whole lot of that really. And then, but other than that, it's actually I've been using it a lot, and it's been doing pretty good. Well, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.